Dear friends, today we will learn how to create certificates online through Google Form. I am a Dr. Inayat Bashir Pathan, Assistant Professor, Government College of Pharmacy, Aurangabad. So before going to this creation of a certificate online through Google Forms, we will see some features of this Google Form, so that will be helpful for teachers and students. Google Form is a web-based application used to create a forms for a data collection purpose. Students and teachers can use a Google Form to make a survey, quiz competition, or even a registration for different program and prepare the sheet. The form is web-based and can be shared with the respondent by sending the link through email or by message, or pasting the link on a web page or blogs. And after the submission of this Google Form, the data which is collected can be stored in the spreadsheet and which is further converted into the Excel form. So in the number of features are about this Google Form. Now we'll see what are the learning outcomes of this session. The learners will be able to prepare the Google Form for the quiz, survey or data collection, and can create a certificate in Google Forms for the learners. Now we'll see how to prepare the Google Form. So for the preparation of Google Form, one should have the Gmail account, that is compulsory. So after logging in Gmail, you will go in the Docs. So after going Docs, you will get the main menu. You click on the main menu, you will get the different applications, Docs, Sheet, Slides and Forms. You click on the Forms. After clicking the Forms, will open like this window will open, and this window, after clicking on this blank form, the blank Google Form will be open. So we'll click on the blank format. So like this blank form will be open. It will contain the untitled form. You have to write type the title, then questions. So these are the question and responses. So now we'll fill this information. We'll fill this here. So for example, College of Pharmacy. Then next, most important is the email. We require the email. So we'll type the email. So next, and full name, that is important. So full name is required, so that will be appear in the certificate, so that is important. So we will prepare this two section. One section will be for the certificate only, email address, and second is the full name. Now next section will be we'll break this section with the help of this add section. On clicking, will be divided into two section. The next will be the second section will be of the quiz. So we'll write a quiz. So here we'll type some questions related to the quiz. So first question I have typed, that is, tablets are the solid dosage form, liquid dosage form, semi-solid, or none of above. And for the every we will give the marks for it. So that will be 1 marks. We'll give it. Answer is solid dosage form, and we'll done it. Next, second question will be which of the following is co-solvent are used for the increase in the solubility of the drug. So in this case, ethanol, glycerin, sorbitol, and all of above. So answer will be the all of above. So we'll give it 1 marks, and done. It is compulsory. So we'll take now these two questions only. After that, so in this way we have prepared the Google Form. We have put the title, email address is important, full name, quiz. Before going, most important, you have to go during the preparation of this Google Form, you have to go in the setting. The setting should be in general. It should be collect the email address. Once you have click on this collect the email address, automatically the email address tab will be open in the Google Form, and limit to the one response only. And presentation will be in the, no need to go, that quiz in the quiz, this is the most important point is to make this quiz. So this should be in on, and after the when we do it on, the respondents can be missed question, correct question and points value, they will get the marks also. So in this way we have to on this tab and save it. So in this way we have completed our Google form. Now most important is now how we will prepare the certificate. Now for to prepare the certificate, we have to add on application we have to do. For this we have to go in the Certify EM. So we have to open the separately the Certify EM web. In this you have to open this by typing the www.certifyem.com. After opening this page, you will on the home page of this Certify EM, you will see the home, try it now, instruction, certificate templates. So in the instruction, you will go in the instruction. In the instruction, you will see the how to install this application in Google Form. So first we have to install this Certify EM in the Google Form by clicking on the installing the Certify. So you click on this C here. So after that, in this way you can install. You click on this install. Ultimately, immediately it will get installed. After clicking on this install, so it will get open into the. It will be get installed in the Google Form, and it will appear in the Google Form in like this icon, add in. So we will now after preparation of this Google Form, installation of this Certify EM application in this Google Form, we will click on this add-on now. So after clicking, it will open like this Certify EM. You click on that. So in this way, enable. Once you have enabled it, it will open as get start. So like this one window will be open. So in this way, in the Certify EM, after installing in the Google Form, certification is off or on. So when you have to give the certificate, in this case you have to make the on. For example, we'll make the on. Next is the see now the status will become the certificate is on. Next is the record, that is the certificate record. So after the submission of this quiz, the respondents when submit this quiz, all this record will be get recorded in the Excel sheet. Like Excel sheet data is this spreadsheet. So in this all the respondents when they will submit their questions and answers, in all it will be get stored in this sheet. Next is the how much passing criteria you have to keep. Now for example, we will keep the 50% only. Okay. And next is the template. Now which format you require the certificate. So in this number of templates they have given, black frame like this all. You can use your own template also. You can prepare your own templates in Google slide. So most important point is here that you have to prepare the template in the Google slide only. After and save it in the Google slide only. Ultimately it will be open in this. So now we will use our own template. So click on this use of template. So in this way we'll open now our template. Select the new file. So our own template which we have prepared, that will be we'll select that. Select the new file, save the changes. Now click on this template, and we can use our template, student template certificates. We have given the name for our template. So in this way this setting is, we have done all this setting. Now next is now we have to send this response. So now we'll send this response via mail, or you can copy paste the link and you can send in different groups through WhatsApp. So we'll send this certificate. So we have sent this response. Now we'll see the we have sent this Google form to the respondent. Now we'll complete this process. We'll open now Google form for filling the answers. Now we'll fill our email. So we have opened this now Google form. Now we'll first fill our details: email ID, full name Pathan Inayat Bashir, next. Now question: tablets are the solid dosage form. Which of the following co-solvent can be used for the increased solubility? All of above. So in this we'll submit now. We can view our score also. View the score. So 2 point we have got. After submission now, we'll wait for the certificate now. See, certificate we has got, the mail has come from. So in this way, congrats Pathan Inayat Bashir. You pass, your certificate is attached to this email. Like this message it will come by mail, and this is our certificate, which Pathan Inayat Bashir, the template which we have selected. So in this way we can create the Google form, and we can complete, we can take the quiz or survey, all these things by using this Google form.